Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to keep looking at inequalities and we're going to look at linear in two variables. If you've completed the inequalities intro video and the grade 10 linear function videos, then today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. Right, so these are all linear inequalities in two variables, right? You notice there's x and y in all of them. And they can have many solutions. Right, so what we're going to do is graph these solution regions, it's called. So y equal x plus 1, this is our boundary line, right? You treat the inequality as an equal, and then you draw the boundary line, right? So you start at 1, slope of 1, over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1. So there's our boundary line like that. Now, y greater or equal to x plus 1, you can think of it as greater, right? It's above the boundary line like that. And so this is our solution region. Y is greater than that boundary line like that. And so any point in the solution region is a solution to the inequality, right? And what we're going to do is what's called a test point. Let's say a 0, 2, right? So x equals 0 and y equals 2 gives a solution to the inequality. And so the test point is in the solution region like that. Okay, B, y is less than x plus 1. Now, because it's not equal, we do a dotted line like that, right? And so if you do y equals x plus 1, this is the line. We're not equal, so it's dotted, it's dashed. And we're doing y less than x plus 1, so less than x plus 1, this is our solution zone, solution region. Okay, C. Right, so we pretend it's equal, and so we get -1, slope of 2 over 3, so over 3 up 2, over 3 up 2 like that. It's not equal, so it's dashed. Y is greater than that, so it's above like this. Y is greater than that function, and so there's our solution region. D. If y is equal, this is our line here, our boundary line, right? You plus 3, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2 like that. We are equal, so it's a solid line. You're allowed to use points on that line. And it's y less than that, right? So it's less like that. And so this is the solution region. Okay, time for some practice. Number 1, graph the inequalities. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So equal to 2x plus 1. So start at 1, over 1 up 2, over 1 up 2 like that. It's not equal, so it's dashed. Y is greater than this line like that, so this is the solution region. B, if it's equal, this is the boundary line. It can be equal, so it's solid. Y is less than this, so it's less like that, and so this is the solution region. Okay, C, -1 over 5, down 1 over 5, down 1 over 5 like that. It's not equal, so it's dashed. Y is less, so less than, so it's underneath, and this is the solution region. Okay, D, -3 over 3 up 1, over 3 up 1. It can be equal, so it's a solid line. Y is greater than that, and so this is our solution region. Okay, example 2. We're going to graph this inequality. So it's no longer y equals mx plus b format. And so one of the ways of graphing it, method 1, is intercepts. Right? If we plug in x equals 0, we get y equals -2. So that's our first here. If we plug in y equals 0, we get x equals 3, like that. And so is the solution region here or here? We're going to do a test point of 0, like that, 0, 0. So we plug in 0, 0 into here, and we get 0 greater than 6, which is false. So this is not the solution region. The solution region is underneath. Now method 2, if you want, you can rewrite it in y-intercept form, right? Y equals mx plus b. And then you graph that function, that inequality. All right, so just a reminder here, isolating y, so we're going to go minus 2x to both sides like that. And then we're going to divide by -3 to both sides like that. And just a reminder, when dividing by a negative number, you've got to change the sign, right? So 2 is greater than -3. If we go divide by -1 on both sides, then -2 is less than 3, like that. So you see how it's switched like that. So it's just a reminder to be careful about that if you are using method 2. Okay, B. Here's our inequality. We're going to do intercepts. So x equals 0, we get y equals 3. Y equals 0, we get x equals 5. So we have our 2 points like that. We're going to do test point of 0, 0. So we plug in 0, 0 into here. We get 0 less or equal to 15, which is true. Therefore, where the test point is, this is the solution region. Okay, time for some practice. Practice number 2, graph the inequalities, A and B. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So y-intercept occurs when x equals 0. Plug that in, we get y equals 5. Plug in y equals 0, we get x equals -4, like that. We're going to use a test point in the inequality here, and we get 0 less than 20, which is true. So this is the solution region. And it's dashed because it's not equal. Okay, B. X equals 0 gives us y equals -2. Y equals 0 gives us x equals 4. Test point 0, 0, plug that in. 0 greater than 4, which is false. Therefore, the solution region is not here, it is down here. And it's a solid line because of the equality here, like that. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.